So if we look at this, solving one-step equation, so here is the gist of solving equations. So plus is always gonna go with minus, okay? So if you see a plus, you're kind of doing the opposite and doing minus. If you see a minus, you're going plus. Okay, so then what do you think multiplication goes with? Multiplication and division go together, okay? So when we're solving equations, that goes like that, essentially. Now, there is an exception on a few of these, and of course, it's the first couple ones that we're doing, so that kind of sucks, but, okay, so if we look at number 1, okay, how many minus signs do you see? There are 2. Okay, when you have 2 minus signs that are right next to each other like that with no number or letter in between, a minus minus really means a plus. So you can really rewrite this and it becomes p plus 2 equals 16. Okay, and so the minus minus became a plus and the parentheses disappeared. Okay, anytime you see a minus minus, it becomes a plus. Okay, so how you solve equations, you're always moving stuff away from the letter, okay? So what is closest to the letter? What is the closest thing to the letter? A plus 2. Okay, well what did I tell you plus goes with? Minus, so that means you're gonna do minus 2. Okay, if we do it on one side, we have to also do it on the other side of the equal sign. Okay, now, what is plus 2 minus 2? It's 0. That's how something cancels out, okay? Cancel does not mean it just disappears. Cancel is 0. That's what happens, okay? So these ones do in fact cancel out because they come 0, okay? So we're going to get P equals, what is 16 minus 2? 16 minus 2? 14. Okay, number 3. See the minus minus? Okay, minus minus becomes what?
Plus.
A plus. So this is really going to be b plus 2 equals 8. What is the closest thing to the b? The 2. Okay, so right now it says a plus 2, so what are we going to do? What goes with plus? Minus. So we're going to say minus 2, minus 2. Okay, what happens to the 2's? They cross out. Okay, and so we're left with b equals, what is 8 minus 2? 6. Okay, number 5. What's a minus minus become? A plus. So it's really going to be n plus 14 equals negative 4. What is the closest thing to the n? 14. Right now it says a plus 14, so what do we need to do? Minus 14 on both sides. Okay, so minus 14, minus 14. Okay, and then the 14s are going to cross out. Okay, what is negative 4 minus 14? Okay, and this is where I say use your calculators, because if I've not figured it out, you guys suck at 2 things, fractions and negatives, okay? It is negative 18. Okay, now, it seems like the kids who are like, I'll check it on the calculator, do better in math than those who are like, I already know it. Okay, it's not gonna hurt anything. Check it on the calculator. Okay. Look at number 7. Look at number 7. Okay, so this is where like the wording, it doesn't change, but so when I'm talking about like what's closest to the x, okay, well they're both kind of close to the x, okay, the x is right in between. So what I always say is what is on, if you were to draw a line down where the equal sign is at, okay? What is on the x's side? The 7, okay? Now, if there's no sign in front of a number, what is it? It's addition, okay? So if there's no sign in front of something, it's a plus sign, okay? And so you could put that here if you want to, okay? But this is really a plus 7. So what do we need to do? What goes with plus? Minus. So we're going to say minus 7 on both sides. Okay, what happens to the 7s? They cross them out. And so we're going to be left with x equals, what is negative 8 minus 7? Negative 8 minus 7. Negative 15. Somebody agree? Okay, number 9. We talked about this yesterday. What does it mean when the letter and the number are right next to each other? It means multiplication. So then what goes really with multiplication? The division. So that means we're going to divide both sides by negative 11. My board is tweaking out. Okay, and you can either use the fraction bar or you can write a little divide. Okay, you can write the divide symbol next to both sides if you want to. That's totally up to you. We're dividing both sides by 11, negative 11. Okay, some of you guys will just put minus 11 and then it looks like a minus 11, okay? So make sure you have either the bar or the division symbol or something. Okay, so these 11s are going to cancel and we're left with r equals, what is 0 divided by negative 11? 0? Can I scroll? Okay, 11. Flip your page. Look at number 11. What operation is this right now? What does that bar mean?
Division.
It means division. So what do we need to do? Multiplication. So we're going to multiply both sides by 16. Okay, what happens on the left side? They cancel out. Okay, and so we got x equals, what is negative 18 times 16? Negative 18 times 16. Negative 288. Somebody agree? Okay, 13. What operation is that right now? It says 12x. What does that really mean? Multiplication. So it means times. So what do we need to do? We need to divide both sides by what? Divide by negative 12. Divide by negative 12. Okay, so on the left, these 12s cancel, and we got x equals, what is negative 204 divided by negative 12?
Negative 17.
Negative 17, somebody agree? No, it's not. Use your calculators. 17 sounds better. Okay, I at least know that it was a positive, okay? But as far as the negative, or as far as the 17 goes, that I don't know, but. Okay, 15. 15. What does 15m really mean? Multiplication, so we need to do what? Divide both sides. We're going to divide 15. Divide 15. happens on the left side with the 15s? They cross her out. Okay, and then on our calculators, we're gonna say 105 divided by 15. 105 divided by 15. Huh? 7? We're almost done, we got 2 left, you guys are doing good. Okay, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do some stuff on your calculator. Okay, so first of all, where's the letter? On the left or right? It's on the left, okay? So that means that this 20 needs moved, okay? Right now, what does it say? X times 20 or X divided by 20? Right now it says divide, so we need to do what? Times both sides by 20. Times 20. Okay, what happens on the left side? They cross out, okay? Now, on your calculator, okay, you're looking for, and this is what we're talking about learning on the calculators, a button on the left side of the calculator that looks like this. Okay, so push that, and you're gonna say 13 on the top, and then put your down arrow with the keypad on the bottom, put the 20 on the bottom. Okay, and then you need to hit the over button to say times 20. By over, I mean yours can't look like this. Otherwise, that's not allowed, okay? It has to look like this on your calculator. 13 times 20, like off to the side, okay? So you have to hit the over button after you put the 20 on the bottom. You need to hit over so that way the times goes off to the side, okay? And what do you get once you hit equals? 13. Okay, and so that's how we type in fractions on the calculator. Okay, and if you didn't get it, then please let me know and I will gladly help you. Okay, last one. What is 19V really mean? Yeah, it means time. So we need to do what? Divide. We're going to divide both sides by 19. Okay, and so we're going to get V equals, what is 304 divided by 19? 16? Somebody agree?